Hello everyone, it's Lurks here, welcome to my channel, and today the iPhone speakers. You think they're on the loudest volume, but actually they can go a little bit louder. So what you need to do is on your iPhone, just go into settings, and then what you need to do is scroll down and select music and click on music. And in the equalizer settings, I've currently got mine off. If you change that to late night, it will actually give you a bit of extra volume. And as Brian Blessed would say, it makes it louder. Just a quick note, this will only work on the iPhone music app. It won't make music louder on things like YouTube. If you would like more how-tos and helpful tips and life hacks, please subscribe by pressing this button down here. I really do appreciate you visiting my channel, guys and girls. If you'd like to select any other videos around here, that would be really cool. Thanks for watching.